Hi, and welcome to the Warren Weld Center. My name is Daryl Swokas, and I'm the Weld Center Supervisor. MSC has been welding blades since 1999. In Warren, we have the capability to weld anything from 1/4 inch to 3 inch wide bands. We are a Lenox Certified Weld Center, and to get certified, Lenox came in for a few days and went over every step of our process. Here's Lenox to talk more about that process.
Hi, I am Mike Niemer, the Director of Sales for North America Bandsaw here at Lenox. I appreciate the opportunity to share how important MSC and their Lenox Certified Weld Center in Warren, Michigan is to our partnership and ultimately your success. Yearly, the Warren Weld Center produces the largest number of welds from one facility in the United States. This allows MSC to play a vital role in supporting you, and that confidence all starts with the weld. MSC is a founding member of the Lenox Certified Weld Center program, earning their certification in the first round of inspections. The Lenox Certified Weld Center program assures MSC has the knowledge and resources to produce elite welds and supply quality blades every day. Daryl and his team of trained operators produces world-class quality welds in a timely fashion, often shipping the same day orders are received. This guarantees that you receive the best products possible in a timely fashion to meet your sawing needs. Through the combined team efforts of the MSC seller and metalworking specialist, along with the local Lenox sales team, we can recommend blades with confidence that delivers documented cost savings to you. We call that the Lenox Advantage. Our team of expert consults with you to understand your pain points and identify roadblocks. We will create a plan with the proper blade solution to help your sawing operation work as efficiently as possible by increasing productivity and minimizing unplanned downtime. The results is increased OEE and a lower cost per cut. On behalf of the Lenox team, I'd like to recognize MSC for their success in the Lenox Certified Weld Center program and their commitment to ongoing quality.